Hello, welcome, good morning. Okay, my name is Nury Joanna, Nury, N-U-R-Y, Joanna, Johanna. I am Laujana. I was born in Pitaltawila. I am 28 years old. I like to sing, environmentally engineering study. I work like auxiliary administration. I am single mother. I have a beautiful daughter. Her name Abby. Abby, A-B-B-Y. That one live in Garzón. Garzón is a hot place, but it is cute. Okay. This is my apartment. And this is the runner. This is the dining room. This is my sofa. This is my kitchen. This is my player saree. This is my comb. This is my brain chair. This is my chair. Goodbye. Thank you.